Located just 2.5 hours from Vancouver, the Lone Duck Campground offered the perfect spot for the first winter snow camping adventure. Nestled close to the parking lot for convenience and surrounded by serene beauty, it provides a safe and accessible escape for both beginner and seasoned camper alike. Hello everyone, so today we are going to the EC Manning Provincial Park for snow camping. This park is located around 2.5 hour drive from Vancouver city, which is about 200 kilometers. This park offers a lot of winter sports activity like snowshoe, ski, snowboarding and snow camping. And during the summer, this park is quite popular for the large hikes and other sports outdoor adventure activities. So yeah, as we can see currently we are having a fresh snowfall and just 20 minutes and we will be at the EC Manning Provincial Park. Alright, so we are at the Lone Duck Campground and we're gonna go figure out a place where we can camp tonight. By the time we reached the campground, the darkness had already settled over the snow-covered landscape. With headlamps lighting our way, we managed to set up our tents close together, creating a cozy little base camp. The fire was a challenge. It took longer than expected to get it going, but when the flame finally danced, the effort was worth it. Good morning, guys. We had a fantastic night today. There was nothing uncomfortable or cold we experienced so far. Everything was good. As morning arrived, it was time to pack up and head home. We folded away our tents, stored our gear, and left the campground just as we found it, a pristine winter wonderland. This first snow camping experience was everything we hoped for: challenging, rewarding, and unforgettable.
पूरा पड़ा है वो शॉवल की करना बात है